Hey guys, and welcome to another Draw With Me video. So, I'm not sure why I got a little weirdly cut off like this, but I was streaming with my community, and hey, if you don't already know, I hang out with my Twitch community every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. We do drawings. We also do a lot of art challenges, and I like to teach people about art and all that fun stuff, as well as I do background analysis where we look at backgrounds and talk about what either makes them good or bad. And then on Thursdays, we also do a clip analysis where I take a clip either you guys recommend or I find one, and then we take that apart. This coming week, which would have been a couple of weeks back when you hear this, we ended up doing our first action sequence from Advent Children, Final Fantasy VII, if you guys know it. But yeah, so I absolutely had a fantastic time coming up with all of these ideas with my community, and it's my personal cat, like a little original character that I came up with. His name is Ollie the Durp cat. It took me quite a while to come up with a name that I thought really suited him, and I wanted these to be planner stickers, so I'm obsessed with stickers. And moving forward, as you guys may have seen in this channel, it's lots of DIYs, miniatures, Fimo stuff, but I've done it for over a decade, and I feel like, you know, my passion is bringing me somewhere else, and I'm very excited about what this new decade holds, regardless of, you know, the world being on fire and whatnot. But anyways, so I had a lot of fun coming up with all of these ridiculous derpy things that Ollie could do, and he's trying his hardest, but it's not going for this little guy. And I ended up redoing my my line work because I learned a different way to do the line by the time I stopped it and came back. So I decided, you know what, I might as well just redo all of it all in one go. So yeah, that's why I ended up doing that. And it's so funny, I don't know why I keep doing little drawings like this where I've got so many images on a page and I'm like, oh, well, they're little cutesy poo things. It won't take me very long, and then they take me, you know, forever to do because, I mean, it makes sense. There's a lot of images and a lot of thought needs to go into what's being made and the color choices and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I had some time off of my day job. If you guys don't know, I work as a lead layout artist for a Disney show. And so some stuff, one thing led to another, and the studio ended up giving us about a week and a bit off. So it gave me some time to finally finalize these images that were just sitting in Procreate forever. Now, if you're wondering what the heck I'm doing here, I'm actually using a clipping mask. And then, so the reason why I do that is so that you don't have to worry about your color work going outside of your mask, literally. So that's a really cool thing about doing that. And then I tried to go extremely quickly with certain things like his color and his, you know, his belly color and things like that, and things that I knew that were going to generally be the same color. I decided I would just go in and try and, you know, correct that kind of stuff. I ended up trying one version of him with like one kind of purple and then a different color of purple, and I didn't really like it, so I ended up going back and adjusting that as needed. But yeah, I have a lot of fun with the community and getting us all to draw together and just be inspired. And I mean, the other thing is, you don't really have to be an artist to enjoy the type of content that I'm providing for you guys, because I think that even still, you guys becoming more active viewers when you're enjoying your favorite TV show or movie or anything like that is also really important, and we don't give it enough credit. So, you know, why not just enjoy what the medium has to offer? If you're wondering what's happening now, is I'm going in and adjusting all of the line so that it's not black, because I'm that type of person that I don't really like black outline, and I like to make it a darker color of whatever color I'm using because it just looks a little bit cuter. I even also thought, you know, there was too much yellow on that cleaning version of Ollie, so so for the sponge I was thinking about giving him a yellow, or instead of a yellow sponge, making it green, but I didn't really think that that did very well, so I decided, you know what, let's get rid of that and readjust as needed. I've also been toying with the idea of doing like clip analysis where we do a breakdown and talk about, you know, the different film language that's being used not only on Twitch but maybe on YouTube as well. I haven't really figured that out yet because of copyright reasons. If anyone knows anything about this, that would be great. And there's all this copyright stuff with audio going on Twitch right now that's scaring a lot of people, so it's kind of a pretty scary time, I must say. You don't really know how to deal with things. And we're also, for this whole month of June, we're raising money for the Bail Project, which I think is a great cause on Twitch because, you know, there's a lot of people that are thrown in jail right now that really shouldn't be there. And it's very frustrating because, you know, it could be protests, or people that had been part of protests or rallies or things like that, and to take people's freedom away when they're just trying to, you know, be part of this movement that needs to be happening, you know, is just absolutely ridiculous. Anyways, I digress. And then at the very end here, I'm tossing in the outline for the stickers. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you on the Twitch channel. Bye, guys.